Stephen Schwartz. Show no tears for me, there'll be rain enough today, and wishing you Godspeed as I wave you on your way. This won't be the first time I've stayed behind to face the bitter consequences of an ancient fall from grace. I'm the daughter of the race of Cain. I am not a stranger to the rain. Orphaned in a storm, that's the role I've lived before. I've learned not to tremble when I hear the thunder roar. I don't curse what I can change, I just play the hand I'm dealt. And when they lighten up the rations, I tighten up my belt. I won't say I've never felt the pain, but I am not a stranger to the rain. And for the boy who's given me the sweetest love I've known, I wish for him another love, so he won't be